Zimco is a 45-year-old business. It was started by a couple brothers that has continued to be run by brothers. A few years ago, we purchased the business, and since that time, we've invested millions of dollars into trying to modernize, professionalize, re-energize the business. And it's everything from changed all our internal systems, new website, new marketing strategy. We moved to a brand new building here in Northeast Calgary. It's got a first-class training center. It's got a much larger warehouse. We can triple the product offering. We're able to keep on site to better service our customers. We specialize in instrumentation, and that can be anything from level, temperature, pressure, flow products. We have an extensive pump offering as well for kind of unique or difficult applications. We sell to everyone from oil and gas producers, agriculture, mining, pulp and paper, hydrogen, laboratory and research, very extensive lists. We have over 3,000 active customers. We sell on quality. We sell on value. First-in-class Cadillac product lines that are used by all the major players in the industry. I think we're a solution provider, and it's great for our customers too. They know when they call us that we're going to sell them what they need, what they want, and it'll work. We have a team of highly skilled, highly responsive product experts. Our goal is to make things simple for the customer and to make them as successful as we can with what we have available. Part of the culture and the lifestyle that we try to provide, I think it's a good combination between employee engagement and job fulfillment. It's a family atmosphere around here. The business was started as a family business, and I think we try to keep those family values in the office and when we interact with our customers. I think that's very important. We've been around for 45 years. If all goes well, we'll be around for another 45.